Hi everyone. Today we are going to listen to a story from our Capstone interactive ebook collection. So just like all of our other resources, while we're at home, we're going to start on our Schoology page. Today I happen to be in 5th grade class, Miss Noonan, but we all have access to this library resource board at the top of our Schoology page. So our Capstone interactive collection can be accessed, that's that big word that means getting to, with this white icon and the purple oval. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to open in a new tab. And remember, there are only 20 books in this collection so far, but these books, they read to you, their pictures are great, and best of all, puts it to music. So today we're going to listen to this story. Do not bring your dragon to recess. Whoa, let's find out what happens when they bring their dragons to recess.
Do not bring your dragon to recess. Written by Julie Gassman. Illustrated by Andy Elkerton. All morning you've worked and given your best. You wrote, you read, you took a math test. It's now time for recess, your well-earned break. But before you head out, please avoid this mistake. Do not bring your dragon to recess. The rules of the playground are hard for a beast. He'll break the first one as soon as released. He'll run down the halls, shout to his friends. He'll bump into the principal with his pokey rear end. So do not bring your dragon to recess. Out on the monkey bars, things won't improve. Your dramatic dragon will ruin your groove. She cries and she cries. Her arms are too small. If she hangs from her tail, the whole line will stall. So do not bring your dragon to recess. Maybe he'll vow to keep his feet on the ground and volunteer to push the merry-go-round. He'll start out slow, but soon he will run. Then the ride becomes more scary than fun. So do not bring your dragon to recess. You might consider a game of Foursquare. Your dragon's a good sport. She always plays fair. But dragons are huge fans of these sorts of games. And when dragons are excited, out come the flames. So do not bring your dragon to recess. I see what you're saying, and I admit to you that a dragon at recess could create a real zoo. But my dragon is smart. He can learn all the rules. He'll listen to teachers when he's playing at school. He'll be patient and take turns. He'll share all the toys. He'll be respectful and kind to all girls and boys. I know he can do it. You just have to say yes. May I please bring my dragon to play at recess? In my mind, dragons are all fire and wings. I didn't know they were interested in slides and swings. But I believe everyone deserves his or her chance to run and to climb, to chase and to dance. So, if your dragon's respectful, well then, I guess he's more than welcome at our school recess.
All right, friends, that was our story brought to us by Capstone Interactive, which is on your library Schoology page. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.